In first step, I would like to show the materials which will be required for making this project. The project name is wireless tester, and the things required for making this project are LED, transistors, switch, battery and a battery connector. And one more thing which is very important for making this project is a thick copper wire. Now we have to roll this copper wire on a pen like this. The thick copper wire should be coiled like this. This is the collector point, this is the base point, and this is the emitter point of both the transistors. And this is the positive terminal and negative terminal of the LED. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of the battery. I will stick my whole circuit of wireless tester on this scale. Now I am going to connect the collective point of this transistor BC547 with the base point of another BC547. I would like to remember that this is the collector point, this is the base point, and this is the emitter point of this transistor. I have connected the emitter point of first transistor with the base point of another transistor. You can see. You can see here that I have connected the collector point of first transistor with the positive terminal of this LED and the collector point of second transistor with the negative terminal of LED. At this base point of first transistor, I am going to solder this thick copper coil. You can see here. You can see here that I have connected the base point of first transistor with this thick copper wire coil. Now I have connected the positive and negative terminal of this battery cap to my circuit with the collector point of first transistor and with the emitter point of second transistor. You can see that I have soldered this thick copper wire from this first transistor. Here you can see, and now the whole circuit has been completed. Let's check how it's work. To make this project look better, I will put this on the scale. Here you can see. Now you can see that my project has been completed and I have put my circuit on the scale. You can see. And now I am going to show how it works. Now I am putting this wireless tester near my meter. This is the electric meter of my house. Now you can see that when I am keeping this coil near my meter, the LED bulb is glowing. Here you can see. And now if I put it back, if I keep it back, it will stop glowing. Now when I will going more closer to the meter, again it starts glowing. This proves that my wireless tester is working. By using this, you can test the current without using tester which you use in your home. You can use this wireless tester and test the current, alternate current wirelessly at your house. Here you can see that this bulb is not glowing. Now when I will move it closer to the wire, it will start glowing. Here you can see. And if I will bring back, it will stop glowing. This is the main power circuit of my house. Now I will show whether current is there in this wire or not. If this LED will glow, it will tell us that yes, current is there. You can see that when I am moving it closer to the wire, it start glowing, and when I am bringing it back, it stops glowing. I am going to show you again. Here you can see when I am bringing it closer, it starts glowing. On bringing back, it stops, which proves that this can detect alternate current.